Today I want to talk about laundry and d- dry wash. So if you are in India and you are looking for some new businesses, I'll explain how a laundry mat can be a great business. So nowadays everywhere the expense or the salaries of people are increasing, so you won't be able to down the line. Right now maybe it's okay in India, you can hire help, but going forward, like in cities like Bangalore and all, any labor will be not available for say less than 15-20,000 rupees per month. That time you can't hire somebody for uh, washing clothes. Like in tier 2 cities, people hire help for washing clothes because they feel washing machine doesn't do a good job, but that will gradually go away. You won't be able to have people to wash your clothes. That's the future for India. Like it impacts in every other sector. So when you have a laundromat, say example, there is a apartment complex in Bangalore in Jayanagar or Basveshwar Nagar, wherever, right? You put a laundromat with say 4 or 8 or 10 based on how much space you get. This, if you think about it, this is kind of around 200 or square feet, very small space. So they have put 4 washers and 4 dryers. Okay, and this will get busy from 10 in the morning till evening. It will be super busy. So for each washing we pay, say based on the heavy load, it will be $2.50. $2.50 is how much, like 200 rupees, right? So just for washing, and you can wash full for my clothes. I used three laundries, 3 dryers and 3 washers. Okay, so for that load, it has like how much you can use. There is a space. You have to put your clothes, you have to put your detergent and washer and detergent and bleach, and then use the app to pay for that, right? If you make it autonomous, like there is no person needed, use technology, app or some kind of coin based, and run it. So if 200 rupees per load in India, maybe you can think of it as like 100 rupees per washing, and this one is actually $150, which is like 120 ish, right? So you can, for drying you can set 50 rupees, for washer you can set 100 rupees, and each washing cycle is like 40 minutes. Okay, so think of it as like class period in school period, right? So in a day you can have like eight periods. So full day, if you think about it, 24 hours, it will be how much? 8, 16, 24. There will be around 24 periods it can run for. Okay, 24 or not 24. 24 is just an hour, right? So it in school you will have gaps. That's why that so in 24 hours you can probably have like 30 cycles. Each just one washing machine, 30 cycles is 3,000 rupees per day. And this one also 30 cycles, it will be how much? This will be 1500, so 4,500 rupees per day just by one. Then you multiply by 4, that will be 9,000, 18,000 per day, right? 18,000 per day. Monthly 180, around 6 lakhs. Okay, then you might think, oh, this math is just in numbers, but will there be people? You start slowly, it will take off. Like you have to check that market scenario, like where you are setting that up, what are the earning around that area. Is there some posh restaurant there, whether people eat out, whether they have enough spending power is very important. If they have the spending power and they appreciate this, and along with dryer, washing, drying, if you fold the clothes for them, because now if you see, we have something like this, so I have to sit, or my wife has to sit and fold them. But if you hire some staff and fold the clothes, use some processors to fold it, and that is additional, they will be willing to pay another 100 rupees just for folding, say, one bag of clothing. So that will save them lot of time, and for you, you will be generating uh, additional employment. And then if somebody is, if there is like office wear, you can also add uh, folding plus ironing, that you charge another 100. So it will be a full, it's like a modern day dhobi ghat, right? In the olden days, the dhobis used to go for dhobi ghat, wash, come back, iron it with steam. Now you can do that, and this, how much did we say, 6 lakhs per month. That 6 lakhs multiply by a year, it's a lot of money. If you think about it, it will be like crore business. And this is boring, not many people want to do this, they think it's very cheap. But also these machines will be very expensive. Say here it will be like $2,000, in India it will be like 1,50,000 per machine. So there is an investment there, you have to find a space, and you need a water supply. And this, I did think about it in the past, it's good, but we just have to find a nice place. If you like this video and you want to try it, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment, I'll be happy to answer. Bye for now. This is my thumbnail, maybe this one.